Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me on another video. Today I'm working on my ER1000. What I'm going to try to attempt to do is replace this joystick here with a multi-function joystick, meaning the telescopic boom and the grapple won't be operated by these things, because it's a nightmare trying to do two things at once. Everything's going to be incorporated in the joystick. But the problem is the directions that they have sent me are very poor, and yeah, this is going to take a couple days to figure this out. I'll show you the stuff they sent me here. Now this is straight from the actual manufacturer. See the joystick here, I still have my forward and reverse, but now I'll be able to do telescope the boom in and out and open the grapple with these buttons. Again, the only problem is I got a box of shit and barely any directions to go by. I mean, the hoses, where they go, I can figure that out, the hydraulic hoses. But there's a few other hoses that need to be added onto the machine, and yeah, shit. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do. Get this thing installed, and I'll continue the video. But like I said, it's gonna take me a few days to figure it out and make sure everything is correct. I did have to email her to see if I can get any other better directions on installing this kit. All right, so right now I'm just unscrewing the side panel. As you can see, I'm unscrewing the side panel and just looking everything over. I'm going to take a few pictures, mark some hoses, and I'll continue the video. I did not make a video because there was a lot of figuring out. The directions were horrible from the factory regarding this new joystick, but everything works. As you can see now, I'll be able to extend the boom, and this is for, that's for my grapple. So everything is there. I had to modify the plate, and what I'm doing now is just getting everything back together. Let me grab the plate. It's right over here. So as you can see, I had to modify the plate too. Had to add to it this piece here, and then this piece covered up the actual where the levers were. So I'll put it on there and continue the video. So there's the final product. Again, like I said, I had to weld this little piece of metal here on, and then this one here covers up where the actual sticks were that were just a pain in the ass. So everything's on the joystick now. So yeah, so just gonna find some self-tapping screws, get this screwed down, and everything is done. Very happy for it to be all done. It's gonna make life so much easier actually working everything off the joystick instead of the levers. So I'm very happy for that. Today I'm doing another video, so after this one I'll be recording another video regarding ventilation, because when these doors are closed, that's what I'm putting up there. So alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.